Hello everyone. In this tutorial number 4, we will learn about tables. And an important element in HTML. Everyone uses tables in his page. So in the last tutorial we learned about paragraphs, breaks and paragraphs, the line between paragraphs. And now we will learn about the table. We will just learn about how to make a table, how to write the columns, define the columns, define the rows, but we will not talk about the styling of the tables, because everything on styling for a page is related to the CSS styling, and the CSS we'll learn it in another playlist. So we'll start with the tables. After this image, we'll start a table right here. Don't forget that everything you want to add in your page must be in the body element. As you see, a HTML element starts with a tag and finish with a tag. So the body element starts with a tag body with a finished tag body. So if you want to show a table in this page, you need to put it inside, okay? Inside the body element, anywhere you want. If you put it between these two paragraphs, it will be between these two paragraphs right here. If you put it after the image, it will be after the image, shown after the image. So let's start by creating the table. As we said, every HTML element starts with a tag and finishes with a tag. So the table has a start tag and end tag. The start tag is so simple: table, you close the tag and finish with a tag, table / table. Click enter. Now if you Ctrl S save and you refresh, you will see nothing, because we didn't put anything, we didn't put nothing of it in this table. So let's start by putting something. Every table has its own headers. So the headers are defined by columns. Every column has its own header. To define a header, the first thing you want to think about is how many columns you have. So if you said I need in my table 3 columns, so we need 3 headers. Every column has its own header. The 3 headers for each columns are in a row. Define a row. So we start by building a row, okay? To start building a row, we need a row tag, and it will be inside the table. We were gonna start building a row. This tag, tr, close that tag and finish with a tr tag, define a row. You click enter. Inside of it, now we have a row, and we put inside the row something. Now if we Ctrl S for save and refresh, we will also have nothing, because we didn't put any data inside the row. So in this row, we said we have 3 columns. So 3 data entry for this row. Okay, so we'll define 3 cells. Every cell is defined by a tag, which is th. We close and end with a th. This is very important to remember. Why? Because the th tag is a cell tag for the header, just for the header. If you want to define another header for the column, we Ctrl C, we enter Ctrl V. This is another cell. This is another cell. This is what we did here. We created a table with 1 row that contain 3 columns, 3 cells, but it's a header cell. Why? Because it's a th. Now if we Ctrl S, we save, we refresh here, not show nothing, because you have nothing information. If we put A, B, C, Ctrl S for save, refresh, you will see, look how beautiful we have. a table with ABC in bold. Why in bold? Because it's a header. TH. It's simple. TH for a header. You don't need to remember everything. It's important to practice it. So try to practice to make table, but you're at your own. If you forget what's a header and what's a row, it's not difficult. You can go to Google and write HTML table and you will remember everything. But it's important to practice it, to understand it. So if this is a row, if you want to create another row, but not a header, we're gonna use a TD, but not a TR. So we're gonna make the same thing. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, TD, and here. Sorry guys, sorry. TR, stay TR. The header here we changed to TD, TD, TD. Same thing for the end tag. Save, refresh. We're gonna have ABC row, a header, and ABC row, data, normal data. That's why it's not bold. If you put here TD, we started by a TD and we ended by a TH, for example. Look, refresh. You have nothing because he will not understand the TH here. If you change this one to TH, Ctrl S, you will see it's bold. If it's TH and end with TD, stay bold. You see? You need to understand that every tag you should change it with the end. Start tag and end tag must be the same always on all HTML elements. So now we have the TD. It's TD element, so it's a row, normal row. Now we're gonna put a third row, so we copy, paste. Now we have a table with 3 columns, 3 rows. The first row is the header. So this is the basic format of a table in HTML. Okay. Now we're gonna dive more into details of this table. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a little bit of styling for this table. I'm gonna show you just one thing for styling this table, and in the next playlist of CSS styling I will show you in details how we can style every detail on this table: colors, size, borders, lines, every detail. So, but not in this playlist. It will be in the next playlist of CSS styling. Okay, so I'm gonna just show you a little bit of styling, just one thing. So if you wanna add some styles, you add sty equal double quote. Inside of it, you will put width. This variable. This is the variable, and now we're gonna put the value of this variable. How much percentage it will be. If you said I want to be 100%, I'm gonna show you what we mean by 100%. Now we specified that for our table, I'm gonna choose the style. Inside the style, I'm gonna choose this variable, and I'm gonna give her a value of 100%, and then I finish with point comma, as you see, so we can understand that the style is finished right here. Ctrl S to save. We refresh. You're gonna see that the table took 100% of the size of the page. Right here, if we do like this, you're gonna see how it will expand with us, even if we put smaller. See, I'm not gonna I'm not able to go smaller than this. So it will be always 100% of the width, as you see, because I said width is 100%. This is a little bit of styling for our table, but in the next playlist I'll show you every detail of the CSS styling table, how we're gonna play and show the table as we exactly want, with the colors and with everything you want. Now if we put, for example, a 50% and we refresh, you will see that this table gonna take 50% of the screen, of the page. So it will be to this line, the mid. As you see, all the table will be at the 50%. So if we get bigger, if it gets bigger, it will stay 50% of the table, exactly as we want. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to watch all video of the playlist, because it's a complete full guide for beginners. It's so simple, so easy, and I teach every details with a simple method of teaching. So see you on the next video.